Hey guys, Eric here with Pro Rebuild. I want to show you something that we've been working on for several months due to a lot of demand. As you can see by our other videos, we have been able to fix completely and rebuild the pass lock modules in the 98 up Chevy trucks and vans. We had a lot of demand for some of the mid-90s Chevrolet car Passkey modules. It's not a pass lock, it's a Passkey, but it does the same function. So these are very unique because the vehicles that these come in have a wide variety of modules that you can use. The main thing that you need to understand with this system is there are 15 different key types. If you've done your research, you've diagnosed this as the problem, you've noticed that your key has a black chip in it, and that chip is actually a resistor, and that resistor is one of 15 available that you have to match that particular key. Well, the same is true for these modules. There are 15 different versions of these modules in stock form that if you do not match it, it will not work no matter how many times you try to bypass the key or relearn the key. It's not possible. So these have been modified and re-engineered to work with any key type. They are tried and true. We sold over 25 or 30 of these. We've had all good things, never had a single one come back. These fit a plethora of vehicles from the mid-90s, from about 93 to up to 2001, including some of the DeVilles, Bonnevilles, LeSabres, Park Avenues, Camaros, even Caprices, and anything that's like Monte Carlos, Auroras, anything that's a mid-size, it may have this module. Now, one thing you need to understand is there are a huge number of part numbers for these, and it is completely irrelevant at this point. They are all interchangeable so long as you're buying one of these. If you're not buying one of these and you're buying a used unit, you have to know what style, like what number, what your key resistance is. You have to know what resistance the module you're buying is, which good luck with that because most people have no idea. And if you don't do that, your car is not going to start. You cannot bypass these. There's no programming to go around this. You can't delete this. It's a kind of an antique, an older type of computer that is not available to delete the VATS from. So when these go bad, the car will not start. The security light may just be on solid, and the car will not start. These do come apart on the inside. They have capacitors that leak and do a lot of damage. All of these have been thoroughly tested, cleaned, modified. They are plug and play. It takes about 2 minutes to learn your key. And that's all you need to do. You plug them in. It doesn't matter what key you have. It doesn't matter what module your car had originally, as long as it has this color connector on it. Now, some of the 92 and older have blue or black connectors. We are working on those, but those are not ready yet, and these will not work in those vehicles. So we sell these for between $115 when we run them on sale. The average is about $125. There's no core charge. There's no shipping charge. We can get them to you overnight, next day, however you'd like it. We can ship them across the world. Wherever you'd like them to go, we can ship them. Like I said, we've had no problems with these. They're pretty much plug and play. If you guys have any questions about where it is located in your vehicle, because some vehicles are under the dash, some vehicles are buried in the dash behind the heater box, some vehicles are in the trunk, you feel free to shoot us a message and we'll give you pretty good directions on how to get to it. If there's anything else we can help you out with, let us know. I like to consider ourselves kind of experts in this field, and we have pretty much completely been able to circumvent the system to where you don't have to worry if your car is going to start or not. These are guaranteed to work every single time or your money back. Thanks guys, and check out our other videos.